Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about the Cash App, and more specifically, we're going to talk about and go through the steps to set up a paycheck direct deposit to your Cash App. So like if your employer wants to pay you through direct deposit, it doesn't necessarily have to go to a bank. You can send it to your Cash App, which is kind of convenient. So let's go ahead and get this started. So I've already opened up the app right here. If you don't have Cash App, be sure to check the description below, and I'll leave my referral link there. Just click on it and then you can sign up pretty easily. And then once you followed a couple of different steps, then you get $5 and I get $5 as well. Or you can just easily go to the App Store and look for Cash App. So I got the Cash App open right now. As you can see here, this is the home screen. And I want to let you know first off, before we go any further, in order to have a paycheck direct deposited into your Cash App, you do have to have already signed up and activated your Cash App cash card, the Visa cash card. If you don't have that yet, go back and watch my other video, how to order a Cash App cash card, and then that'll kind of walk you through the steps. It's a pretty easy process, but without that card, you cannot set up direct deposit for your paycheck into Cash App. So here we are. Let's go ahead and assume that you've already gotten your Cash App cash card, and we're going to set this up to get a direct deposit for your paycheck. What you want to do is you want to go right here to the settings tab, which is this little icon right here on the top left. You might have your picture there or a picture. I didn't put my picture, so it just has that general little circle there. So I'm going to click there. All right, once you are in this screen, then what you're going to want to do is scroll down to where it says funds. So right there, it says funds, and then you're going to click on the cash portion. So this is Bitcoin, your bank account, credit card, but we're not going to worry about that. We just go to cash and then click there. Okay, so once you're in this screen, it's going to show what balance you have in your Cash App, if you have any at all. You can cash out or add cash, not going to pay attention to that. And then here is the cash card down here. Scroll down a little bit more. All right, so here we are. So this is where you want to look for. See how it says direct deposit, and then it shows the routing number and then a part of the account number. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click get account number. All right, so here we are. We've clicked get account number, and then it's going to come up with this warning or informational page. It says you can have your employer send paychecks directly to a direct deposit account, which is attached to your Cash App. And there's some terms and agreements and more information there. If you feel like reading that, you're welcome to. But then what you want to do is go ahead and click enable account. All right, so my direct deposit account has now been enabled. I didn't use it before because I don't have a direct deposit through my employer, so I don't really have a need for it, but this is just to show you how to set that up. So once that screen has populated, then go ahead and click done. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and click back into cash. And we scroll down, and then here in direct deposit. So now, as you can see, the account number has been populated. So what you want to do is you're going to have to provide this information to your employer. So you're going to need that routing number and account number in order for them to pay you through direct deposit. So you're going to have to share that information with your employer. Usually they're going to give you a form, a direct deposit form. If not, you may want to go ahead and just provide that to them. And how you do that is you click right here in this green button. And once you've clicked on that green button, then these two things pop up. So routing number and account number. We'll go ahead and click on routing number, copy routing number. And then once you've clicked on that, then it's saved into your button. So then you can paste that information into your email or onto a text message or however your employer is asking for it. But that's basically the main information that they're going to need is your account number and your routing number. They'll probably ask for your name and a signature, authorization, things like that. But yeah, that's how you set up a direct deposit from your employer to Cash App. So hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up. If your employer has any questions about how to set up the direct deposit, go ahead and share this video with them, and that way they know it is a possibility, and then they can see exactly what information they're going to need. Thanks for watching. Hope that you subscribe.